Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me Suparna back again today, and as promised I shall be reviewing Pixi Glow Overnight Serum. I have been using this serum for almost 2 weeks now, and I have a lot to say about this. And in addition to this, I shall also be giving you a review of Pixi Vitamin C Tonic, another very popular product that tends to go out of stock ever so often. And this is basically a vitamin C toner, and this is a glycolic acid based overnight serum to be used at bedtime. Let me firstly start with this toner. You must have seen this toner in my how to fade acne spots video, and this toner has got vitamin C and ferulic acid, and it claims to be a brightening toner. Now I'm a person with oily skin which is also acne prone. I basically don't have hormonal acne. My acne is mostly because of stress. I've tried a lot of toners before this, some by Clinique, some by Innisfree, and also a few toners here and there, but the one toner that actually changed the way my skin looked was this Pixi toner. It smells very fresh, gives something like a lemon tea with a touch of cinnamon. It's got a smell like that, and I had purchased it from Sephora sometime around last year, and I don't use it like regularly. I don't use it every night. I use it in phases and batches. This toner has given me very fantastic results with respect to my oily skin, and you can actually see the brightening happening on your skin. Now vitamin C is the main source of nourishment. It also fades your acne marks. It also contributes to collagen production in your skin. So this product, I have to say, is packed with vitamin C, and the ferulic acid also lends a lot of good properties to this product. You do feel that it is changing the appearance of your skin. It is making it smoother and better, and that your pores are happier than before. So this bottle has got about 100 ml. I think I had purchased it for about 1550, and there is still a lot to go, and that is because I don't use it regularly, as in I use it intermittently. Whenever I use it daily. If I don't use it, I don't use it at all. And those are the days when actually I have acne and I don't feel like toning my skin much. I don't feel like touching my skin too much. So those days I skip it. But once the acne is at rest, and if you want like fast recovery from the spots, you should definitely invest in this toner. It's very skin friendly. It suits all skin types, and it's just amazing. Smells great. And don't go by the size, because I know this looks very small. 100 ml seems like a very small quantity. 100 ml seems like a very small quantity, and this bottle seems to be very small, but it will actually last you a long time. And I actually let my skin drink it, and it just feels really amazing on the skin, especially if you have oily skin. So moving on to the next product, and this is Pixi Skin Treats since 1999 Overnight Glow Serum. It claims to be a concentrated exfoliating gel. When you apply it at night after having cleansed your face, after you what I usually do is that I cleanse my face and I tone it with that vitamin C toner, and then I go for this glycolic acid based overnight glow serum. This is what it looks like. This is a sort of aloe vera-ish consistency, and you can see how thick this is, how viscous this is. So when you apply it on your face, and rightly it should be applied at night, when you apply it on your face, there is a sticky film all over your face, which tends to dry up in a little while, but it stays sticky nevertheless. So you leave it on for the entire night, and then you wash it off next day in the morning. And I must tell you how effective and how phenomenal this product is. I have never seen a product as good as this. I will just read the instructions that are given on the back of this. It says use PM, that is in the evening or night. Massage 2 to 3 drops on clean set toned skin before moisturization, and you should avoid contact with your eye. And while you are using this product, in case you have plans to step out in the sun, if it is a part of your regimen, always make sure to wear sunscreen, because that is of utmost importance. If you want your vitamin C to work, if you want your glycolic acid based serums to work, if you want any such thing to work on your skin, then please make sure that every single time you step out in the sun, you've got a decent amount of sunscreen on. I have been completely bowled over by this product. It is sticky. Initially when you put it on your face, you feel like, what the hell are you is sitting on your face. But believe you me, this will give you results very quickly, especially if you have acne spots to get rid of, or acne scarring to get rid of, or any ugly spots to get rid of. It will definitely help you in removing those. I can't say so much about pigmentation, people who have like pigmented skin because of hormonal changes. I don't know how effective this will be on that, but on acne scarring, acne spots and all those things, it is very, very, very effective, and it will smoothen out your skin. It will also give a glow to your face. It will also lighten your complexion, because obviously the dry skin is slowing every single day. So what you get is fresh skin every morning. This retails for about 2,400 or 2,500, somewhere around that. And I have ordered another bottle from Nykaa. This was purchased from Sephora, but the other bottle is coming from Nykaa, and this is something that I think would be a permanent addition in my skincare regimen. And whenever I want like speedy recovery from acne spots and acne scarring, and I get acne a lot, I'm going to follow up with this particular overnight glow serum. So that's all I want to say about these two products by Pixi. There is one more coming up. It is going to reach my mail very soon. I think that's a face scrub, if I'm not wrong, and once it comes, I shall be using it and giving you updates about it. And Pixi, if you have sensitive skin, if you are not sure as to what product to go with with respect to skincare, if you're someone who has had bad experiences with skin products before, then Pixi is the brand for you, and I would highly recommend it for you, because so far I've used these two products, and both these products have been absolutely super effective on my skin. So thank you so much for watching my video. Like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned if you want to learn more about skincare and the stuff that helps oily skin girls, acne prone skin girls, and boys as well. So thank you so much for showering your love. Thank you so much for listening to me. Now subscribe to me, because I've got a whole lot of content to share with you. So bye, take care, stay safe.